Okay, we're in week 4 and we're finishing up. So let's look at what the week holds. You're going to post your 3 discussion posts again this week and then submit your final project by Wednesday. Then you'll be finishing your final exam and post-test. So the final exam will cover the second 2 weeks of the course, and then your post-test covers all the course objectives. So your final project will include your week 1 assignment, which was your research question and hypothesis, and then your week 2 portion of your project was you're going to include your literature review. You're going to write a literature review based on your annotated bibliography. So don't hand in your annotated bibliography. You're going to write a literature review citing your annotated bibliography. And then you'll write in your methodology that you already did last week. And then your references page. Your references page will be taken from your annotated bibliography. So basically all you're doing is writing your literature review and your abstract. Also write an introduction saying what your hypothesis is and giving a little bit of background. So that's it, and you'll be done by Wednesday. In your participants section, you're going to know how to say this. It's going to be within subjects or between subjects design, and you'll be able to describe your participants and how you're going to collect data. Make sure you include your ethics section. Here we have a good question. It says, in your participants section, state your research design, whether it's within subjects or between subjects, and mention informed consent with debriefing. If you're using volunteers, mention that. If it's a between subjects design, mention that random assignment will be used to assign them to their treatment groups. If it's within subjects, explain why this was the best choice, and then explain all your methods and procedures. Remember to do that. That's all I have to say for today, and then you'll be doing your discussion posts. And if you have any questions, as always, please do ask. Remember, this is due by Wednesday. Thanks. And that's my dog.